Good morning, welcome to Midwich TV. We are here at Leeds Royal Armouries for the Tech North show. I'm with Scott Harper from Smart. How you doing, you all right?
I'm good, Kieran, how are you?
I'm very well, thanks. I really like the venue. What do you think of it?
Yeah, it's a good venue. Nice, high ceilings, lots of air in here. Normally these things are really sweaty with all the technology equipment that's on, but yeah, no, this is a nice venue.
It's all right, isn't it? There's lots of spears, shields and armour to look at. It's all right,
Yeah,
I like it.
I love a bit of armoury.
A bit of armour. I know you've got a lot of products coming out over like the last 6 months. You've been doing sort of like a lot of changes rather in your range, haven't you? What have you got going on at the moment?
Yeah, well, I mean, we brought in a lot of new products. I think what we're seeing is the buyout by Foxconn actually coming to fruition now with a lot of new products, especially in the last 6 months, as you said. We've now got a good, better, best range, if you like, with the introduction of the MX series.
Nice.
That's going to be a big player for us, particularly in the education market. We then have our 6000 series, which we've had on the roadmap for a while now. Still a phenomenal product with IQ built in. And then we jump up to what is really the Rolls-Royce, and we believe it's one of the best products on the market, and that's the 7000. This is actually a 7275P, which is our professional version, which is in the black colour.
Lovely. You can get it in white as well, can't you?
Yeah, we have the white version is aimed towards education. That's not set in stone. If people particularly want to switch over those colours, they can.
Cool.
We just ship the Pro series with the Meeting Pro software, and the education version, the white one, with the SLS package, which is the software that's specifically designed for education.
Smashing bunch of stuff. So what's one thing I've noticed, I don't know anything about touch technologies at all, so
That's two of us.
Yeah, that's good. My basic questions will be, how many points of touch are there, and also what are these funky coloured pens for? Because normally you only get one.
Yeah, so on the 7000 series is actually 16 simultaneous touch points.
Blimey.
So what does that mean? It means that each pen has a touch point, so that's 4 for the 4 pens. The eraser has 2 built in so that it can cover a wider area when you're erasing.
Cool.
So that makes it up to 6, and then 10 other touch points which you'd use your hands for. The reason there's 10 is that you can start to manipulate and move objects around the screen, do the pinch zoom kind of stuff that people are used to with touch technology these days. It makes it much more accurate and easier to use.
It's really nice looking, I've got to be honest. Like, it's a very sleek bit of kit. We were talking about this earlier, saying they've got a lot lighter and a lot thinner, haven't they? Like, I know the camera can't really do this justice, but it's getting there, isn't it, industry-wise?
Yeah, I mean, when touch technology became more prevalent in the UK market, the screens were thick, heavy, industrial-looking bits of kit. But as you can see, aesthetically, this is quite a beautiful screen. We really put a lot into the aesthetics of the product. And with regards to the weight of the product for installation purposes, the weight is coming down all the time. Our new MX has actually just dropped about 20-25% off its overall weight. So when you're installing, say, in a school that don't often have lifts, you can get them upstairs to second, third floors of buildings much easier. Yeah,
the other thing is always, especially school-wise, is the strength of the walls, isn't it? It's like trying to find something that you can safely stick on a wall. Yeah,
I mean, we still have to say you have to be careful with floated walls.
Yeah.
You've got to pattress the wall. But there's lots of other optional upgrades like stands and trolleys that take the weight to the floor as well. But the weight is coming down, as I've said, so hopefully in the not too distant future we'll be able to mount them just about anywhere without too much problems. Smashing job. So what are you looking forward to today? Midwich events are always great events. There's always a good footfall. There's not too many tyre kickers. You know,
tyre kickers?
The resellers that Midwich work with generally are very knowledgeable. They just want to come and see the latest technology, find out how to sell smart over the competition, and we can all go home happy. Mega job. Hopefully it's going to be a lovely day. I think it's going to be good. Yeah, it's warming up already, and it's warming up, and there's a lot of people in there. So yeah, it'll be all right. Yeah, fantastic. Thanks very much for your time. No problem, Kieran. Have a good day. Thank you. Thank you.